A majority of the strategies to finding your first or next product are going to require a software like Jungle Scout or Helium 10. This just makes things significantly easier. But if you don't have a software, or maybe you want to think outside the box, can you find products? And if so, what are the ninjas using right now? What are the people with experience and the people that are crushing it in the industry using right now to think outside the box? Because I've said it before on the channel, if you want results that others aren't getting, you have to do what others are not doing. And I want to share with you one simple yet very effective strategy to finding products that is going to absolutely expedite this process, make this process even easier yet very more effective. So let's go ahead and dive into my computer. Now, believe it or not, you can actually use your phone for this, but I'm going to go ahead and use my computer, and we're going to head over to TikTok. And this strategy will actually work on pretty much all social medias: Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, etc. But right now, the most effective from our research is gonna be TikTok, all right? So we're gonna go to TikTok and we're gonna type in Amazon finds, okay? And we're gonna look at all of these different influencers with a lot of followers and a lot of engagement. Now, the reason why we're typing in Amazon finds is because this is a very popular hashtag or search term for awesome stuff that is trending on Amazon. Now, before you crucify me in the comments, I know in the past I've said that we want to stay away from trending products, which is still true. We don't want trending products, but there are products that are viable, that have been selling, are selling, and will continue to sell, that are actually trending right now. So big difference between a fidget spinner, which has no depth of market, no past transaction history. It hits the market, it shoots up, and then it nosedives. And there's a difference between that and these products that are going viral right now. And we're actually gonna find some of these together. So let me go ahead and click on one of these. Juliana Claire has 2 million followers. Now the beautiful thing is some of these are gonna be niche oriented. So if you find an influencer that's niche oriented, or an affiliate marketer that's niche oriented, you can use those for specific niches. But if this is your first product, more than likely you're gonna want a broad influencer or affiliate marketer. And before I get into how to navigate this and why this is so important, let me give you some brief context on what affiliate marketing is and why this is so magical. So affiliate marketers promote products that are not their own, and when people buy the products using their links or from their influence, they get a small commission, okay? It's an affiliate link. So why this is so important is because if they are promoting products that don't sell or no one's interested in, no one's gonna buy these products and they're not gonna get paid. Which means when you see these products and you see these reels or these TikToks with high amount of views, like 698,000 or 392,000 or 1.1 million or even 3 million, this means that hundreds of thousands and even millions of people are seeing this product and they're engaging with this product. So let me go ahead and click on this one, 1.1 million views.
This backpack turns into a padded chair that's loaded with features. One side has an insulated cooler that can hold...
So this is awesome, and I've never seen this product before. I don't know if you've ever seen this product before, but this product is absolutely phenomenal, right? It definitely solves a problem. It's definitely an awesome product, but are people buying it? So here you can see 1.1 million views, 4.9 thousand shares, 40,000 hearts, 10,000 saves, and people are saying, I need that, I want this, where can I get one, right? It's the shelves for me, I need one, so cool, how much, so on and so forth, right? So people are engaging, and chances are they're gonna go to their link right here, and they're gonna go find these products in Amazon, right? They have an Amazon link in their bio that goes to their store on Amazon with all of these products, and they can buy it from there. But let's head over to Amazon and see if we can find it. Backpack chair. Believe it or not, it looks like we found a few of them, right? Backpack chair, and you can see 500 bought this month, 400 bought this month, 200 bought this month, 7,000 bought this month, 1,000 bought this month. So people are definitely buying this product. 500 bought this month. So if they have a ton of reviews and they have a ton of people buying them, which is an awesome feature now that Amazon shows you, clearly these products are selling, right? And this is a good way to find products. Now you're gonna wanna dive deep. So the question is, Josh, can I find products and can I do this business without Jungle Scout or without Helium 10? The answer is yes, but these softwares are gonna make your data-driven decision-making significantly easier because it's gonna show you all the data at your fingertips. And I'm an avid believer on making data-driven decisions, never emotional-based decisions. So yes, we can look and see that this product is selling a ton, but we're gonna actually want to pull up the numbers and look at the numbers using the Chrome extension, right? Now, I'm currently using Jungle Scout. If you don't have Jungle Scout, there is a link down below where you can go to discountonjunglescout.com. Here on the channel and in the EMZ formula, we have dozens and even hundreds of videos showing you how to find your first or your next product with ease using these softwares. But if you're gonna use one of these non-conventional strategies like the one I'm sharing with you right now, being able to tap into these softwares to just look at more data is gonna make your decision as to do you pull the trigger or not significantly easier. Now, heading back to TikTok, here you can see that was just one of the very many products that they have here. Literally, many of these videos are one product only, but some of these videos you can see 2, 3, 4, even 5 products in one video. So again, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, all of these are gonna be different platforms where you can go and type in things like Amazon finds, right? Now, you can type in cool finds, Amazon finds, cool gadgets. Try to find a ton of different descriptive words and phrases and search terms that you can use, that you can find a lot of influencers or affiliate marketers using for products that you can find on Amazon. And this is gonna help you find your first or next product significantly easier because a lot of people are not doing this. Hey, hopefully you got value in this video. If so, drop a comment down below about a question or what you found most helpful. I read them all and I answer to all of them. If this is your first time on the channel or you're returning and you're not subscribed, do me a favor and hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and click the notification bell. That way you're notified every single week when we drop brand new videos. And remember, you're only one product away.